We take this opportunity to introduce our company and products with great pleasure. Being a leading manufacturer in the eastern region of India, Promoda Switchgears Private Limited started its business long back with the manufacturing of different types of low tension panel and subsequently started manufacturing medium voltage switchgears as Siemens System House. The factory is located near Narendrapur Ramakrishna Mission, Kolkata, with all modern manufacturing facilities and inspection. Promoda switchgears have supplied medium voltage switchgears to various customers in India and neighboring countries under the supervision of Siemens Quality Audit. Some of the sectors are coal sector, steel sector, defense and ordnance factories, utility sectors, industrial sectors. 11 kV VCV, similar to 33 kV, is also compartmentalized in design with the advantages of lowest arc energy dissipation, lowest drive energy requirements, no fire hazards or explosion risk as the panels are type tested for internal arc tests, least number of moving parts and hence highest reliability. The 11 kV VCVs are rated for 11 kV 800 ampere 26.3 ka, 11 kV 1250 ampere 26.3 ka to 40 ka, 11 kV 1600 ampere 26.3 ka to 40 ka. Vacuum contactor panel, Siemens make vacuum contactor rated up to 11 kV is used to make vacuum contactor panel for switching HT motors at usual set. The panels are compact in size and houses all measuring and protective instruments along with CT and PT and breaker power fuses. Spacepill also deals with outdoor version of 33 kV VCV, which is porcelain clad type and compact design. Coming to medium voltage switchgears like 33 kV indoor panel, houses a 33 kV 1250 ampere 26.3 ka VCV with all protective relays. The VCV is totally encapsulated and the panel is compartmentalized. The VCV is fully type tested and conforms to IEC 622-71100. Interrupters provided in the VCB is totally rest strike free and suitable for rapid auto closing as per duty cycle 0.3 second to 3 minute. It has long maintenance free life, a high switching capability. CTPT are housed in separate compartment which are epoxy cast type and are manufactured in Promoda factory by vacuum impregnation method. Busbar channel is fully segregated from other compartments and are provided with high conductivity electrolyte grade copper or aluminum buses as per customer requirements. Relay chamber consists of protective relays and measuring instrument as specified by customers. All relay are microprocessor based numerical and capable of sensing accurate fault currents. Promoda switchgears manufacture a host of LT panels, automatic power factor correction panel, drive panel, 11 kV or 33 kV control relay panels, PLC panel, power distribution panel, motor control center panel. Promoda Switchgears Private Limited is presently catering to the requirements of customers situated in West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, Orissa, Chhattisgarh and MP. The turnover of 15 crore per year. The company has a vision to increase the turnover to 25 crore with inclusion of 66 kV Siemens switchgears in near future.